Hola chicos! We are in Santiago right now. It is Christmas Day, so there's not a lot of action going on. We're going to be showing you everything that Santiago has to offer, which is already starting off very strong. We're going to be talking about food, things to do, and most importantly, culture. Stick around to find out more. Hi guys, we are in Santiago, Chile today, and we are doing the Go-To Market food tour with FoodyChile.com. I'm going to show you some of the best markets in Santiago, so stick around to find out more.
This is our distribution. The foothill of Santa Lucia Hill is where Santiago City is founded from. Main reason is because of water. We have the water coming from the Andes mountain range and going towards the Pacific Ocean. We were founded by prisoners, among as well the local one, Mapuche, the longest and stronger ethnic group that we can find from Mexico to us, and now we are mestizo, we are crossbreeding. After the Pacific War, the one we have had with Peru and Bolivia, we became the longest country in the world. So nowadays we do have several tourists coming into our country, not just because of staying in Santiago, also going to Atacama Desert, Antarctica, Patagonia, and very beloved place as well, Easter Island.
First stop, we have a mote drink. You can see that there's little barleys at the bottom of it. It's delightful. I'm really impressed. It almost tastes like a date drink that I am familiar with in Mexico. It's not the sexiest thing to eat while you walk around, but there's lots of goodies in the middle of the mix. Can definitely recommend. Alright guys, we are trying some empanadas today. This is made out of onions, egg, beef, and there's one olive in here that may or may not break your teeth, so be careful. This is a fast food here. You just grab and you go, and let's give it a try. It's so hot. From what I can taste, it's amazing. Very salty, very creamy. Very hot. Let's try again. The caramelized onions absolutely slap. You have to try this. Empanadas de queso, they are life-changing, and they're made with filo pastry, so they're very flaky. They're kind of falling apart in my hands, but this might be the best thing I've eaten in Santiago so far. Okay, if you are in this market, we recommend this stall. It's not currently open because of the holidays, but it's quite local and you get a real taste of real authentic Chilean food. We're in the market, and in the back, there's a whole section of the market where everything's actually peeled and chopped and ready-made, so you can just take it home and take it with you. We asked our guide, and this is becoming more and more popular amongst Chileans as they gain wealth, as they gain more status in the economy, because they don't want to spend all day and all night cooking and cleaning and tearing things off of plants. They want to be able to quickly assemble a meal because their careers are so important to them.
There that we do have all the beautiful fruits and veggies that got from all over the central valleys. Located in here because of transportation. We're very close from the train station, so everything was brought until 1987 when we have no train anymore. But everything was around here since it's close to the original Santiago, the one that was founded by Pedro de Valdivia. And now we do have several markets. La Vega Grande, the regular one. This is La Vega Chica with most of the eateries, and then the flower market as well as the Tirso de Molina. All of those at this side of the river. Since at the beginning we have just got the central market as a regular grocery market. Now central market is just designated to seafood, and all these areas always has been commercial area with a lot of different possibilities for regular food or even fancy one, but trying to get everyone pleased with beautiful varieties of Chilean food.
Okay, we have a pastel de choclo. Did I say that right? It is a pastry with meat on the bottom, and it takes quite a bit of time for it to rise. So definitely check out this dish when you're in town. Then we have papas con mayo. I ended up ordering this because raw vegetables tend to upset my stomach when I'm traveling. Very interested in this combination with a little bit of parsley and some carrots. Something really interesting about all the food that we've had so far is it's quite seasonal. It's really important for people to eat things that are in season. One, because it's a lot more affordable, but two, because the quality of the food is so incredible. Right now we're eating tomatoes and they are not in season. They're still the best thing we've ever tried, but they could be better apparently. We love eating seasonally on this channel, so big fan. We are enjoying some seafood because, as you know, Chile is a coastal country. A couple of things that we've been recommended while we've been here. One is eel. We love some eel over here in Chile. Two is sea bass. So if you're in Chile, do enjoy the sea bass. So while you're here in Santiago, you have to try a pisco sour. So this is a grape-based liquor or cocktail where it's 1 part lemon, 1 part sugar, and 3 parts pisco. In the north, in Peru, they actually use egg white when they're making the pisco sour. Here in Chile, they are not. It's just the normal pisco. Of course, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It lets other people know that this is a video worth enjoying, and it really helps out my channel. Behind me is La Moneda, and we heard from our tour guide that this place was where the Battle of Chile went down. So when they were transitioning away from a dictator, the military staged a coup here and actually bombed this place. It's pretty incredible to hear how the transition of power was so violent, what the coup actually looked like, and to have like real photo documentation of this entire thing going down. Right now we're eating a completo, or actually mine is in Italiano. So what you're looking at is a hot dog with chopped up tomatoes and some guacamole on it. And apparently some guy just went to Chicago and was like, this needs to come home with me. So he brought it back. However, he felt like something was missing from the whole concoction. So he added tomatoes, guacamole for this Italiano, and the completo actually has chopped tomatoes and mayonnaise on it. Our tour guide also dumped a bunch of mustard on it. Can recommend. Okay, it is the end of our food tour, and to celebrate, we're gonna do a cheeky little drink of a pisco sour. It's actually illegal to drink on the street, so we're being very inconspicuous. Sorry, there's police right behind me. And the police are gone. So, pisco sour, you can drink it just like this, or you can whack it in a blender and really enjoy it with some harder liquor. It's very sour. It's with limon natural. It's pretty good. I like it a lot. Like I said, being very inconspicuous, no one can see me. Thanks for watching. If you liked that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.